My beauty cola, it is freezing in the cup. And a slice of one pizza on the plate that has been one time. And the drink in the glass sparkling. And the mushrooms with pieces of cheese. It's going well, the movie. And that's the way it should be, yes it is. Bottles that and bottles this. Those are empty cause the drink when it I'm full.
Kailan pa kumigat ang bakit niya panty ko?
Ang dami. Malis ka na dyan.
Alam ikaw, baka mapigil pa mga naman. Baka magkasakit na maya. Walang ganun ba sa mga... Tama ko na nga ako eh.
Bago ba?
Ano po yan?
$3,000 lang. Sayang, yun yung nilok ko. Also happy day. Tapos... Yung malala.
Sinasobras ko na yung Reddit post.
Depende, kung ako lang napamili. Okay, nag-usap natin.
To start with a little bit of a retrospective, right? So it's less than a year actually. So to see that, if you see the go in terms of the turnout, I love the introduce VQ and more power to see and that guy.
Sige po.
Wait lang, sorry. One more. 1, 2, 3. Naku, marami na daw pala sa story. So, pinaka ako. Ito nga ang ibig sabihin.
Parang carry over.
Cannot be borrow one. Mas magiging pag nilabog mo sa yung Bible verse. Ako? I'm sad. Ano nga ang question? Favorite genre?
But more on the like medieval wars. Ganon.
Second, another round.
Upper,
3 seconds. 1.
can we request na, sorry,
Also this time. We will see you guys again. Nandiyan si Danica who will be leading moving forward.
Ikaw nalalagay ko sa
Collection of Anino comics. Diba, merong prompts dito. And usually, you would go to the person na nag-fit dun sa prompt and you will ask the person to sign.
Natapos mo? Nagsabit ka na? Hindi, tinatamad na ako eh.
May ano na ba? Kung hindi mo na, ayoko na. Walang recorded pa, no? Oo, parang bago lang to, diba?
Oh my God!
Paula! Ready na? Yeah, please go.
This, titigan ko lang. Gonna give one to the caps. I'm gonna give
Bakit mo na nandun sa labas? Kasi alam mo?
Ayun yun, meron ako doon ang aking manok.
Kaya doon kayo ni Tinang eh, pagmamahal. Say hi!
oh, may balls. Yung babawasan.
ang fire.
Madulas ka.
Ano, di ba? Yung marshmallow.
Wala kang stick tape.
Nasa indang saya.
Magbubook ulit tayo August naman, Mama, August. Sana hindi si Mama, o diba? Ang laki nang namiss mo.
sagot ko sa loob.
Helps get your brain thinking and going with
So what better way to cap off our notebook month than to spend their answers and insights. And then a wealthy man yearns for a distant green light across the bay. Ayan, so sulat. Oh, did you write it down, Nancy? To destroy a journey that could bring back darkness. Okay, here's on her wedding anniversary. Hidden secrets make everyone question their seemingly perfect marriage. Would you like it?
But isn't it important thing is that we read? Isn't that the thing that you important because
Okay, so conversation starter and AI and book writing and cover design. So for 98% no. The rest, the 2% is more on how the author or the publishing house made use of AI. Is it grammar checking? Is it anything else that doesn't involve writing the plot? As long as it's more on the technical side, like grammar checking, punctuation, etc. But everything else, writing, cover design.
Cold heart, beating slow. Never felt so lost heart. One day you'll know. She's got that cold heart, beating slow. Cold heart.
For those who's interested,
wait lang, hawakan ko lang muna itong isa.
Bakit? Pinsan! Pinsan ka lang. Ay ka! Vlog, pang vlog ko. Ano ba sabi? Say hi, vlog. Oh, baby. Sabi, sabi. Sabi. Ano niya sa atin?
Ganda mo. Kami na. Ikaw bagay. Ay ka, ito.
Tignan yung mukha niya. Ay. Ay. Yo, smile ayo. Sandy. Ayaw daw yun.
Right.
seafood. Sa'yo na yung luto. Okay. Ate, put lang. Galing naman ng bata.
Bakit nahawakan? Ay,
Nakakatakot ka naman humawak na ano.
Biryani. Gusto mo muna ito.